1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Yo, what's up guys? It's Woo. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a ABB transformation. If you don't know what ABB is, what is ABB? It's actually like Wednesday night and she was literally like, yo, let me put some makeup on you. And I was like, wow, oh my gosh, I could put this onto YouTube because why not? Come say hello.
Hi.
Step into the frame. This is this is my makeup artist, Emily.
Wait, you know what? I think I should do my makeup first. Give me like 3 seconds before I do something. I can't look like a toad and be like, I'm gonna transform you. No, we have standards here.
Oh yeah, this is my face before. Oh, I also got this TikTok headband. I spent like 15 bucks on it. What is it, ABB?
You gotta make the ABGs wanna love you. You gotta be hot. That's nice. Just the minimum requirements.
Oh gosh.
You should moisturize this. So moisturizer first.
Oh my gosh. I always want to be a beauty. This is L by Quebec, Canada.
No, it's not. This is a sample. Yeah, I don't know what it is and I'm not supposed to know. So you want to put that on first.
They send you a product that you're not supposed to know.
Yeah, you're supposed to. That way you don't have to buy it. So if I hate it, then you have no reason for me to hate it. Do you want me to give you something that I know what it is?
No.
It's just a facial, like a moisturizer cream. And then after that, you want to throw on.
Oh, it's like, it take too much?
No, it's good. You just gotta put it everywhere. You shouldn't put it on both hands though. Should I demonstrate this?
No, it's
like,
okay.
It's
good.
You go, it's fine. This is going well. Remember, just make sure that your pores.
You show the camera, show the camera.
It's an e.l.f. poreless primer. I got this. It was super cheap, and I'm a cheap person, so. I feel like pores is a big deal for me. I hate when my pores show, and I hate when my foundation.
Wait, how do you get rid of pores?
Pores, technically, you can't get rid of. They stay the same size. All the stuff in the industry that's saying like, oh my god, I'm gonna make your pores smaller. It's all a sham. I hope you know that. And the next thing you do is foundation. Foundation goes everywhere.
Oh, sorry.
It evens your skin tone. You want that Korean glow. The sun is getting low, so let's Do you think makeup is going to be one of your passions?
No. I can't really imagine, to be honest.
No. Yeah, you do it. Okay.
Oh.
Next, concealer. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. And then we have the contour. So for contour, you don't really need a lot. It's just to help emphasize your cheekbones, give you a little shape. Okay, and then there's bronzer, which is the same thing as contour, but it's just a little bit more natural for the rest of your face. Someone recommended this to me. I don't recommend you also buy this. That's just fallout. She does. It's just fallout. Can we keep close? Open close. This is a Halo Glow Powder by e.l.f. It's just good for setting makeup. It doesn't move.
I want to look like snatched. Nose snatched.
You have a nice nose.
I have a big hump in the middle of my nose.
No, it means your nose has shape. A lot of people want that.
The side profile? Not it.
I feel like that is it.
No,
that's the point of having a.
You gotta have the.
What is that?
Wait, what? Wait, you have. You have it.
What's it? He went like this. What's that mean?
It's a water slide. The water slide nose. That is like. Yeah, you have it. You have it.
What direction?
Yeah, I think I'm not me. Switch my buttons, feel like lying.
I had
You had a friend.
I had a friend. He was. I never noticed this before. But he was obsessed with his nose.
What the heck?
Like, and he was like, I really want to get surgery on my nose, go to Korea and get surgery on his nose. And you like showed me like nose photos and like all the time, and I never thought about it until like he started showing me, and I was like, what the fuck? But mine is like my fucking nose curves out like this. See, I have a little like ridge here.
I feel like people want a ridge on their nose.
I have like a ridge. I look like, you know, Despicable Me.
Dollars, we can
Formula.
Let me see your face in the sunrise. Bitch, come by, come by. I feel the vibe.
Are you laughing at me?
I feel like
Are you laughing at me right now? You don't fight? You don't squat bomb?
Your waist, loving your trip, I don't play. Ay, loving the wave on your waist.
why do you wear make with your left hand? Like this?
We're gonna try to do some like this, like Namjoo-hyuk from whatever anime. I mean K-drama.
I brag too much, need to chill up in New York. Why can't we go somewhere else in the food store?
I've accepted that I'll never love again. No, I've just accepted that I'm on a self-improvement journey, so there's no looking for love anymore.
Hello, I'm right here, shift the gears.
Hey, what's
What do you not like about it?
It just makes him look like he kind of put his face in the butt. Like, is that too rude? Like,
Straight savage.
So you think that I have my face in my after I do my makeup?
no, it matches your skin palette a lot better.
Relocation. I'm on the way to you, I know I'm late again. The sun is getting low, so let's make it, man. And I don't wanna spend time yeah. You make me sit around, stick around by your side. Carry all this bullshit, fuck a full clip, let it stick around your side. Man, fuck man, I'm pissed.
They just spent like 10 minutes obsessing over my outfit. Kendra just rolled up my pants sleeves. And now we're trying to choose what earrings to wear. There's like these really long ones and these cross ones and these. She's rolling up my sleeve.
Just like a dangly one, it doesn't matter what length, I don't think.
She's cuffing to my pants again.
I think do the longer ones then. These ones are kind of short, so it's hard to see. Because it's
Do you want to do the
directly
long
attached.
ones?
Yeah, and then one stud. You
I
can
mean,
just
I guess we
the-
could just see. Doesn't matter.
Here's studs.
Off, trying to get my pocket like Rick Ross. Heavy on the sides and we lift off. I'm a big dog, I'm getting missed calls.
I think so, you do. It's like 1 in a million, twice imita. Yeah. Wait, what is that? Onion haseyo. Wait, it actually looks really good. Holy shit. Wait, it actually looks really good on camera. All in London? Where you at?
Merry Christmas, Josaya. But I miss y'all like damn. Jeans on my body, they Japanese denim. Piece for my shawty, she really be jealous. Queen on the thotty, cause she really need bags. Like COD, how I'm really showing all the tags. Like green, like yellow, like.
Alright. That is it for the video. Thanks so much to my shit. Oh, it's upside down. Thanks so much for my makeup artist and
I barely did anything.
Photographer, you need to take all the photos.
she's about to be my photographer. She's about to be my photographer. She's also a really good doctor, so hit her up.
Oh my god.
I'm like staring at myself.
We're about to be famous, Emily.
Well, this is weird. I'm like staring at myself just cause like